Okay guys, there's the layout. Well, that's what's left of the layout. So all that timber, I should be able to save a fair bit of it anyway for the new layout. Now also what I'm going to do, as you can see in my walls, I'm going to frame it and plaster it. But I'm also going to come out to the beams. Originally I was just going to go to where those wooden beams are, but now, because of the angle of the beams, it's going to be flush all the way around. And also this tilted door will be coming down, and I'll frame that up as well, and there will be no door, so the only door will be that one. But whether I extend it or to make it wider, I've got the option to do that. But anyway, this is what my shed looks like empty. So here's the layout. I'll just go back, just show you again, and also the plan is from that beam, garage beam, sorry if I'm going too fast, to that beam will all be the layout. It's about 22 feet long. And also the other plan is this, once I frame this beam, I may come out with a plastic wall. Don't know how far yet. Then it will just hide all my cabinets that I've got behind it and give me a bit of a working area. Now that working area is about 8 feet. Like 20 odd feet. So that's enough for me. So tilted doors going, plastering the walls will be happening, and then back to rebuilding if all works out well. I'm just going to work out how to frame it properly. It's not as easy as just putting up a beam and that's it, because of my roof's a bit slant too. And I've covered my beam up, so I'll have to probably put another beam underneath, just so I can frame to it. But anyway, just thought I'd just let you know that the layout's gone. Stay tuned, I suppose. So cheers guys.